are.
Can you open the salmon, Dad? It's right up there. Please.
Oh, they're eating all that bait I threw in.
Yeah.
Okay, chips are in here.
They have taken the bait.